We just bought and had delivered a front-load dryer model number MGD6230HW0 serial number MX1503149. The problem I'm having is I can't hook up to Wi-Fi. The message on the screen is factory Wi-Fi retrying. How do I clear this out?
What's the brand and model of your dryer?
It is a Maytag. Model number is.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag dryer? What have you tried so far?
It is brand new. I have not used it yet.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I need to know how to clear this message out and connect to my Wi-Fi.
Thank you for your question. I am reviewing it and will respond in a moment. You need to go through this procedure in my link below to set it up. Copy and paste my link below into your address bar https:/applianceguru.tinytake.com/tt/ndq2njq2m18znamw.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/ythi.